life expectancy is a lot longer nowadays, many are battling health challenges that are draining the healthcare system. Drug prices are on the rise significantly, draining the patients as well. Add to this a rise in surgical interventions that are taking place, which is about 40% more than what it was a decade ago. You now have a healthcare system that's under tremendous pressure and continues to mount. The good news in all of this is that changes are already underway through value-based care, through population health management, and an increase in payer-provider collaboration. We should also see a shift from treatment to cure, an increase in virtual care, improved personalization, including the use of precision medicine. All this means that payers are now evolving to become aggregators of health data and facilitators of care for their members. And providers are now able to deliver better care for their patients. This is all made possible by use of data and technology. I believe that our Live Enterprise framework gives healthcare organizations the ability to become more sentient, which is constantly sensing, reacting, and learning to changes around them. This is very crucial for businesses looking to adapt while turning challenges into opportunities. When a healthcare enterprise is capable of functioning like a live enterprise, you'll be able to identify that through 6 specific characteristics. Number 1, being connected. This means that all the participants in the care continuum, whether it is payers, providers, PBMs, pharmacies, they can all seamlessly share information regarding patient care. It also means that the patient's support system, which is the families, the communities, the employers, are all connected as well. Number 2, observable. Observability comes from having access to democratized data that's visible to all the constituents. This is about getting a 360-degree view of the member and being able to observe the changing healthcare needs of the member. This also allows for monitoring of healthcare delivery through outcomes, through better utilization, and eventually an improved member experience. Number 3, being sentient. At this stage of live enterprise, the healthcare organization starts behaving much alike a living organism. This is where the data captured by various connected elements in the enterprise get interpreted meaningfully, and we start seeing the use of AI models and algorithms. Timely and personalized interventions to manage members' health and wellness on the clinical side also become a possibility. Number 4, being alive. An enterprise becomes alive when it meaningfully utilizes the information and insights derived during the sentient stage. This enables businesses to achieve outcomes in days instead of weeks. A classic example, a real-time claims processing or potentially an automated prior authorization process. It also allows enterprises to design policies and processes that are aligned with the needs of different member segments based on the social determinants of health. Number 5, being agile. Agility allows healthcare organizations to adapt and comply with updated regulatory and clinical protocols. It also allows providers to offer fact-based decision support that is based on AI recommendations. It can help eliminate a lot of administrative waste via process reimagination and automation. Hospitals can use it to ensure real-time patient flow optimization, review non-clinical sentient data, and understand what their patients are really looking for in the facility and direct them accordingly. Number 6, being innovative. In recent years, we have seen a plethora of innovations come up in healthcare. For example, AI in medicine, the advent of genomics, virtual reality in surgeries, remote patient monitoring, and the list is endless. These innovations allow for advancements in personalized care and the ability to deliver medicine that are tailored to an individual through precision medicine. Telehealth is another classic example of how improvements can happen in the space. Infosys Helix is our platform that allows payers and providers to make live enterprise a reality. It accelerates their journey to becoming a live enterprise. Being digitally native, it is built on AI, runs on cloud. Helix unites the healthcare ecosystem, bringing together the payers, providers, families, communities, ensuring a meaningful engagement through these platforms and products. The built-in intelligence augments human experience in making business decisions and thereby gaining competitive advantage. Through Helix, we aim to transform healthcare delivery to make it more connected, more insightful, thereby ensuring high quality of care for everyone.